what today is? Today is the Artemis II splashdown, chat. Look how cool this is. This is them in the spaceship right now. So shortly, they will start entering the atmosphere. They're becoming very close to the Earth. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. So we could probably do an open lobby or two and then get in here. That's what we're gonna do. Wait, edit done? I gotta see the edit first. New edit of me, guys. Get ready, get prepared. It's about to be fire, it's about to be slick, and it's about to be amazing.
I'm pretty fast there. I'm gonna get you and I'm gonna make you scared. I'm pretty fast there. Baby, cause you're going to get I'm scared. I'm very fast there. I'm gonna get you and I'm gonna make you cry. I'm very fast there. I'm gonna get you and send you all of my joy from you. You better be ready cause when we come down, now we're gonna have a party with the lights and the mask that you keep on. But Bobby's in the whole minute on long.
That song is clean. That song is clean. So we can squeeze in 1 or 2 quick play matches, chat. All right, and then can you also do that in YouTube as well? Because I don't want to leave my YouTube girlies out. Because even though my Twitch chat hates them, I love my YouTube chat. And I will let y'all play with me. And y'all are going to have to be cordial. Okay? Y'all gonna have to be cordial with each other when you're in the same lobby. I don't want to hear no words, okay? All right, chat. Oh, we're going in. Y'all, I'm a one-trick ammo right now. That's what's going on. I'm trying to work on my ammo. Boom! Oh, nah. Hey, there's a game. Oh, ew. Sorry. Ranked. Oh, nah. I would not be doing open lobbies in ranked. I'm trying to level up my account, so I'm using chat to my advantage to help me level up my account. And I'm off-rolling only. Big feet. Thank you for the prime, man. Wait, we get AM though. Ooh. Nice. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Nice, I got him. Oh, don't worry, guys. You're very welcome for this carry. Oh! What in the world? Like, who are you? Of course they're running ground. What is that? Oh, I messed up. Oh! I'm coming! Give me in! Thank you. See how I peel for my back line? Something my own team would never do. Okay.
Nice heals.
That was a jump scare. Oh, sorry. My fault. Wait, I could go strange. Dang, that's on Fortnite. All right, wait, chat. How's the Artemis mission looking? We got one more. What if you miss it if it's a long game? Yeah, I will DC. Oh, we gotta win fast, guys. Lock in like it's a comp game. That there's 40K on the line. Oh, they're so separated. Oh, like, why is this Widow in us, man? What's she doing? Oh, nice. We're locked in. Oh, yeah, chat. That is some aura, ain't it? That is some aura. Oh, y'all fighting over there? Y'all got it. Oh, not the flaming and quick play. Come on, Candy. What is she? Where's the cloak going? Like, what? All right, I'm coming back. Oh, I wasn't even worried for a second. I have the greatest supports alive, man. Watch this. I bet you when I press tab, it's gonna say I have ace. Oh, hell nah. Imagine getting clapped by a melee character, by the way. Chad, we're still on schedule. We're still on schedule for the Artemis landing. Imagine getting clapped in your own spawn, by the way. Yes! We freaking dookied on them. GG squad. Look at me. Oh, wow. Hurry, Earth is in your view. Oh, shoot. Oh. Chat. It's here. Oh my gosh. We're 4 minutes away from entry interface. Oh my gosh, chat, we're in there, dude. That's literally where we all live. I'm pretty sure that's our atmosphere illuming. 1 minute until entry. Look at it. Oh my gosh. It literally looks like a painting.
Entering the Earth's atmosphere. We're at 400,000 feet, traveling 34,800 feet per second.
Oh my god, look how much faster it's moving now. Oh my god, wait, that's probably the heat sparkling. That's the heat shield.
13 minutes, 10 seconds.
I think that's bits of the heat shield coming off. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that, chat. That's the heat of the atmosphere. No, blackout.
And as predicted, we've entered our communications blackout.
No, what do we do within that time?
This will be a 6-minute blackout period.
I can't take it. Wait, what is this?
And from the G5 aircraft in the vicinity of the splashdown zone, this view of integrity.
That's integrity?
So that pinpoint of light shows the vehicle as it enters the period of peak heating in the Earth's atmosphere, the first tug of gravity being felt by Integrity's astronauts since their launch back on April 1st.
What's this? Another moon landing fake? Bro, no. Does this shit look fake to you? Does this shit look fake to you?
3.5 minutes left in this blackout period. This is a
simulation.
Visualization, the plasma buildup around the spacecraft.
Look how fast they're going. 25,000 miles per hour. All right, we should be in contact with them in less than a minute now.
We are now processing data from Integrity.
Wait, is that them? Is that a photo? I think that's a photo of them. Oh my gosh, that's a photo of them literally coming from the atmosphere. You see the freaking atmosphere like wavelengths? But it looks like their ship should be fine.
Integrity, Houston, comm check, post-blackout.
Yes, yes!
Houston, Integrity, we have you loud and clear.
They did it, they made it!
Looks good.
Look at that, my eyes.
We're processing good data through the GPS system. A good view of Integrity, time to splash down 4.5 minutes. We're at 50,000 feet.
Look at that! There's 4 people in there. Parachutes should be deploying soon, right? Parachutes! Parachutes!
And there go the first series of parachutes.
Oh my gosh. I can't see anything. Oh, they got more parachutes. More parachutes. The amount of parachutes they have to have is crazy. Oh, is that good? There was fire coming out of that. Maybe it's still because it's just so hot.
Through 1,000 feet.
It's just more atmosphere stuff. Hopefully that's just their heat shield. Thrusters. Oh, I got so scared. What would happen if, like, the day they planned on landing, it was raining?
Sending post-landing command now.
Like pouring down rain.
Confirmed.
Copy splashdown, waiting on VLDR.
They did it!
Splashdown confirmed at 7:07 p.m. Central Time.
Oh my gosh, they did
p.m.
it!
Pacific Time.
They landed in the water!
From the pages of Jules Verne to a modern-day mission to the moon, a new chapter of the exploration of our celestial neighbor is complete. Integrity's astronauts, back on Earth.
They did it, guys! Now the boats are coming to them. That was a great splashdown, yeah. Where's the boats? They're like, get me out of here, please!
That would put the end of the mission at a mission elapsed time of 9 days, 1 hour, 31 minutes, 35 seconds.
Wow. How do we do this in the 70s, by the way? This is just so awesome! Oh my gosh! Let me give this a like. Ooh! It's floating, guys!
And if you missed what we said just a couple of minutes
ago... Look at that! Look at that! It floated up! It's a floaty! The floaty's floating! Can we get the move on? I am terrible. I'm sorry. No, I understand. They were just in space. Let me shut up. We're waiting, guys. Oh! That guy just went swimming. Trap, if I go take a whiz, am I gonna miss it? If I go right now, am I gonna miss it, bro? Watch from your phone. That is the initial... Oh! We got one! Wait, did they just grab another one out? Or is that the same one? Who is that?
We now have 2 crew members out.
Oh, they got 2 out. Wait, I think that's Victor. Is that Christina there? Oh,
crew member number 3 now out. Reid Wiseman out of the vehicle. All 4 crew members now out of Integrity.
Everyone's out. Let's go. Oh, wow. Wow, that's great. That's awesome. Yeah. Oh, I was asking, I was like, what are y'all's thoughts on that? You know, like witnessing that. Like, that was cool, right? Oh, we went up, guys. Was it not at 3860? But look at that. Chat, we're almost at 4K. Y'all think we can get 4K before the end of April? That's crazy. I don't think we can.